Good morning, folks. It's a beautiful day today. Top of the morning to you. I hope you're all well. It's Paul from Australian Outback Proving Ground, and today I'm going to pressure wash the bathroom. I'm just going to be using a fairly standard domestic grade household vinegar and water with a straight 1-to-1 mix. 2 cups. So 2 cups water. A tip for you, if you have hard water deposits in your kettle, put a bit of vinegar in it, boil it up, it'll clean it like magic. Best way to clean your kettle. When I say pressure washing the bathroom, I mean pressure washing the bathroom floor. I'm taking that 2 parts vinegar, 2 parts water mix that I made and putting it into the detergent tank. I found out when I did the soap, scum and hard water cleaning video that straight vinegar has a bleaching effect on the tile. I know the tiles are clean, they are mopped frequently, but the medium, whatever it is that the tiles are stuck into, if it isn't concrete, it's concrete's twin brother cement. Tiles are hard and glazed, dirt just washes off them. But whatever it is that the tiles are stuck into, that medium, be it cement, concrete or whatever, it's like glue to dirt. We mop the tiles come up clean, but as the mop passes over those bits in between the tiles, the dirt sticks to them and they're filthy. One part of the floor has 2 loose tiles and I have to be very careful about that bit. It's been a really nice morning and I think it's going to be a really nice day, maybe getting a bit warm. I'll just go and have a quick look at what it is now. I'll just have a quick look at the thermometer out the front of the house. Here we go. At 9:15, it's 28.5 degrees with 10% humidity on the 23rd of October. Glorious morning, but better get on with it before the afternoon sun heats up the back of the house. Spraying the vinegar was working, but it was splashing muck over all the walls and everything. Better to use the surface cleaner. This is cleaning more dirt than I expected. It's doing a great job. This is heaps and heaps better. I'll get rid of as much dirt as I can with just water, and then I'll put in the remainder of the vinegar mix. Okay, job done. It gave a good result, but was it worth all of the hassle of the unpacking, the packing, the hoses out the door letting the heat and the flies in? There was a lot of muck and residue that didn't wash down the drain. The floor had to be swept when it dried, and follow up mop afterwards was a good idea. It was worth it, but only if you did it every year or 2. Until next time, goodbye folks, and be good to your neighbours. We've got a video. Now, so I stuffed it already. Today we're...
Helpful.
Oh, it's one of those things, but eventually I'll get it.